Welcome to Patrick's Garage. Today I'm gonna go degutter my rain gutters. Gonna empty the rain gutters because they're full of leaves and starting to grow some stuff. So we're gonna go do that, and I'm gonna try to do it on a POV view. So bear with me. Let's see how this goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. Let's get started. All right, this is the POV view. Got my rubber gloves on here. We're going to do the rain gutters and get them gutted. So I got the rubber gloves under these so that way it keeps my hands sort of dry. So this is the first time doing this, so it's actually not too bad. Hopefully it'll hold. Man, these gloves are tight. There we go. Okay, let's get started. Oh, Tom the turkey. Here, I'll get a better view. There we go. It says give thanks. Okay, let's get up on our ladder. this freaking needles. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we can get this water down that spout. Some of that. There. If I go over there, it's just going to be way too much needles. Alright, I think I'm going to call it good. My fingers are starting to freeze.